Let's get it. A little while ago, there was a project that I was talking about called Ekta. Basically, their goal is to try to bridge the real world with the virtual world of real estate. There was a bad actor on the inside, but the team definitely handled it very professionally, and now the relaunch is here. You should now be able to convert your V1 Ekta tokens into V2 Ekta tokens, and in today's video, we're going to be going over how to do just that. So let's go. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Crypto Cabin. My name is Tom, and in today's video we're going to be going over the Ekta recovery process from V1 to V2 for the first time. If you're new to the channel, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, then hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell and select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. Without any further ado, let's jump right in here. So Ekta is converting from V1 to V2, and here is the recovery steps which we are going to try going through for the first time. So first of all, make sure you're on the BSC mainnet with your MetaMask wallet before you perform any of these functions. If you don't know how to do that, obviously they have a how-to right here, which I will leave this link in the description below so you guys can go and follow through this step-by-step as well. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to claim and stake your Ekta V2 using the Ekta Recovery dApp. So after you've claimed and or staked your Ekta V2, please do not engage in any activity on your old Ekta V1 tokens anymore. They are no longer valid in the Ekta ecosystem. Please note that when you stake for the stated minted period time, you are locked for that period. There are no early withdrawals from this function for the staking pools at this time. Ekta V1 token holders can use the dApp's claim function to exchange V1 tokens for Ekta V2 tokens. Ekta V2 token holders can use the stake function to stake and earn rewards. So we need to convert, like I said, the Ekta V1 to V2, which we can do through the claim function on their website that was listed above here. That's staking.ekta.io. We'll take you through each step, starting with how to connect Ekta mainnet to your wallet. So how to claim and stake Ekta V2. Okay, so first connect your MetaMask, which I already did. Make sure that that's connected. Perfect. Once your MetaMask wallet is connected, go to the claim button, fill in your details, and confirm the insert information by clicking personal information. You'll then receive a verification code to your email, input, click submit, and then check the breakdown balance of your Ekta V1 to click claim and then stake. So let's go through that. So this is the home page, right, with the stake function. There's also this claim button, which is where it says we are going to go to try and make sure that we can get our Ekta. So full name, email, we're going to provide that info. A code has been sent to my email, which it did right away. That's awesome. So here is 410545. Submit. And it says that I have, that's pretty much what I did have. So I was staking 500. I had pulled out 142 of them. This is what is in my wallet on Ekta. So I can't switch my MetaMask right now, but that is what is on the Ekta mainnet on my MetaMask is 142 there, and then my staking and approximate reward balance is also right there. So we are going to click claim and stake. I agree with terms of services. So I remember them saying in the Telegram that you would have about 30-ish days to do it. So this is the first day that I've seen it. I think they relaunched yesterday, but you have very limited, shouldn't say limited time, 30 days is a lot of time to go through this and make sure that you are actually able to get your V2 tokens. But here we can say that, yeah, you have 29 days left to enter all these pools. So that makes sense. So they're only allowing you that much time to restake. So one thing here that is a little weird, we're going to claim and stake, or you could just claim, but it makes it look like you need to stake something. I don't think you do. I just think this field, needs to have something in it. So if you say I want to start staking 0, I'm not sure if I want to lock my Ekta up right away. I can have up to 28 days or 29 days to still stake in these pools if I want to. Right now, I just want to make sure that I get my ECTA back into my wallet. So I'm going to start with staking 0 and trying to claim the rest of it. So here we go. Hopefully this goes through. I did have to check that little box off. Awesome. Very, very small transaction fee as per usual on the Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so I was able to successfully claim and stake my ECTA. So back to landing page here. I didn't stake any, but let's see to make sure that it did actually end up in here. There we go. Okay, awesome. So I do have my ECTA that I had from before. So my V1 is now on V2 on the Binance Smart Chain. So I also wanted to show you guys that I did end up getting pretty darn close to the full amount. So when we were with the old ECTA, they were trying to make their own mainnet. And you can see that right there on my MetaMask there. So I don't have 142 BNB. That is false. That should be ECTA. And then the ECTA mining system, which was being run before, I don't know if it's still operational. So here are the numbers that I'm talking about where I did basically get the full amount back from like V1 to V2. This number of ECTA that I got and received was basically the exact same. So I did have 142 left in my wallet that I could have staked. The transaction showed that I had staked 500, so I'm getting that all back. And then the staking rewards here is what is slightly different. I'm not sure when they exactly cut it off. Like this could be calculating my staking rewards here as well. But I got 1,047 ECTA, I believe. And so this is that's what, 12 ECTA off. So not bad. So they were able to recover basically everything from the V1 issues over to V2. They are now in my Binance Smart Chain wallet. So now when I go back to the ECTA staking.ecta.io, you will see that I don't have the claim option anymore. Now it is just stake. So here we've got all the live stuff, which, like I said, 25 APR for a month, 100% APR for 3 months, 115, 133, or 150% APR. Let's see if we can find the price action of ECTA right now. So when we look for the project on Dex Tools, it does look like it is trading on SushiSwap for USDT. So maybe, I don't know if it would 100% be here either, but it looks like it is trading with a USDT pair. So there's nothing on PancakeSwap right now, so we are going to need to check out SushiSwap. Let's see what we get there. So we import our Ekta V2 there. We are going to see if we can trade some for, we need USDT. See if there is any liquidity here. So there you go. It does look like you can swap Ekta V2 for USDT through SushiSwap. So that is where it is being traded right now. Obviously, I think some people figured this out a lot earlier than I did, or they were able to, basically as soon as it got, launched or released, all this information got released, it was trading initially at around $3.70. Looks like people have been taking their profits and just getting out because maybe they're scared of what happened V1. Obviously, it wasn't a great thing that happened with V1, but I do think the team handled it very well. And this recovery process, although it has taken a while, that was super easy on how to recover that. Not super easy on how to find out where to necessarily go and trade it. They weren't super open unless I missed something in the Telegram. They weren't super open about where it was going to be trading, but I did end up going to find that it is on SushiSwap right now, that you can trade it, and it looks like there is some liquidity for it there. So to me, I mean, like I said, fairly easy claiming process. We also have been able to get some of our money back. If you wanted to trade this, it does look like it is tradable. You can check out BSC scan, see the transactions going through as well. There are quite a few going through for Ekta V2, and so you could potentially be trading this one. Since we've just hopped on here to talk, price has been coming down. Lots of volume as people are slowly figuring out where I think they can go trade this. But like I said, fairly easy claim process. I do think the team handled it quite well for the most part. Maybe could have been a little bit clearer in some of their communication, but they were fairly timely with their announcements throughout the whole thing and keeping the community updated as to when different things were going to be happening. I appreciated that a ton with the Telegram group at least. So there you have it, team. If you got some value out of this video, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, and then hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I will see you next time on the next episode from the Crypto Cabin. Let's go.